everyone, I'm Engineer Shu from INEO Company. Today we will show you how to replace this electric oven thermostat. First you need a Phillips screwdriver. Step 1. Remove the knob. Then open the door below. You can see 2 screws here. Loosen these 2 screws. Take the door off. Both sides of the door need to be removed. The right side also have one door. Step 3. Remove this screw. There is also a screw in here. There are 3 more screws underneath this. Then take this off. This is the thermostat. To replace, unplug the 2 rear plugs, and replace them with new ones for the thermostat. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.